Okay, right down there is Regedor Street. This is Regedor Street. That's the Chinesa de Taipa school. And that right there is part of the Galaxy Casino. You can see it all lit up at nighttime, right from the Regedor. And you can see part of Galaxy right there as well. This whole thing is all Galaxy Casino. And all of that is a Gotai Casino Strip. And straight down is Peikoke, which is the station where the train line goes now too. So it's all the way at that end right there. And what we're going to do right now is we are going to capture Regedor Street. The beginning would be down that way, but we're actually going to go the other way, which is this direction right here. We got lots of people, so we're going to just kind of follow it from this spot down to the Nike store down there. So stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so this is the Regedor Street. You can see some McDonald's, Haagen-Dazs, Chinese restaurant. There's way down there. There's also Italian restaurant, a Spanish restaurant. So it's actually quite international. You got a little some restaurants on that side as well. Actually, I should go to that side. And I'm just gonna walk down Regedor Street right here. Cafe Eskimo is on the corner here. So let me just see if I can get through here, okay? So we are going to walk down this street. I also kind of want to, that's kind of cool right here too. Sometimes you can sit in that spot as well, but not at the moment. Macau, this one says Macau Shandong. Got a 7-Eleven right here. I'm going to try to go across the street here, and I think I can go right now. The reason I'm going to come over this way is because for one, you can get a better view of the Galaxy Casino right there, and then number two, get a better view of Regedor Street, which is the one that we're on. Then number three, there's also this little plaza right here, which is kind of nice. And you got some nice restaurants in this area too. So I'm just going to try to walk back a little bit, capture this one, Cafe Shen. This is always really popular. And then this little blue one right here too, they got pork chop buns and such. Kind of marketing, so it's quite popular with tourism. And foreigners too. I've seen foreigners who regularly come here as well. So you can see the inside as well. And you can also see what they got on the menu. So pork chop bun, these are all like really kind of Macanese cuisines right here. Bacalhau, it's like from the Portuguese. That's kind of a fusion, right? It's like bread with milk, kind of milk. Never actually had that one before, but I think it's like some kind of milk on bread, which is kind of strange if you're a Westerner. Seems kind of strange, so I haven't got it, but it could be really amazing. I just don't know. Okay, so we are going to go down this way. And actually my greater goal is to go down the other way. But I also just want to capture this plaza and then all the way down. So Regedor will go all the way down there, and you have got Korean chicken, Korean place, Cafe Abore, which I think is Portuguese or Macanese. And then you also have some of these other ones too. This is a very kind of Macanese place right here, the green and yellow and red. Ice cream, that's always popular, the gelato. Janela Cafe, Janela's window. In, I think it's the Portuguese language probably. Some Latin language. I think it's also Spanish too. I think I'm familiar with it in one way or the other. So, okay, so what we're gonna do next is go across here. And then we're going to head down this way. And we're basically going to go all the way straight, all the way down to the Nike store, which is all the way down to the bottom, to the end. And we're on Regedor Street. So we kind of went backtrack a little bit, but I think we did a pretty good job of that backtrack, because that backtrack brought us back to where the plaza was at. And you could almost see to the end of it as well. It's a Saturday evening, and there's so many tourists right now. It's August. It's the last weekend in August, actually. And I've never seen so many tourists in the whole 10 years I've been in Macau. So ever since COVID ended, it's just flooding with tourists on these streets. So you'll see a lot of suitcases. I just saw one suitcase just went by, and there's another one right here. So there's a few already. Hello.
Do you like here? Stay here?
Yeah, I like to stay here.
Only August.
For you?
Yeah.
Visiting?
But you stay most of the time. Happy holiday.
Happy holiday.
Overseas countries. Let's say, oh, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year in your own country.
And yeah, they do that, that's true.
Yeah, they are very, 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 very happy with you. With Merry Christmas and Happy New Year with you.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, they like house very much.
Yeah.
Because they don't have nothing to eat.
They have nothing to eat?
Yeah, no poultry, no chicken,
No chicken?
rice, everything low.
Where? Where's that at?
Only no fish.
Who? Where?
Low bread to eat.
Where? Who?
They have our food there.
Here?
In Hanchin.
Oh, in Hangqin. Oh, in Hangqin there's no food?
No food.
Oh, that's strange. Didn't know that.
Again, because of Thailand and Vietnam stay here, not in Hong Kong, Lantau Island. Very big international airport.
Oh, so
yeah, they have to stay there for a certain period of time.
Are you visiting there in Hangqin?
I have been to Hong Kong because of the customs.
Oh, the customs held you there?
Customs officer here in Macau, not the fire brigade.
Oh.
They are very stupid.
Strict?
Doing the ambulance service and the fire service. Stupid.
Oh.
See?
Over there?
Further extension.
Oh, okay. Oh, that office is
Because
closed.
They only seafood.
Oh, they only sell seafood?
No.
Oh. The
Only in America.
only in America they
Very
have?
expensive, like apples and oranges are $10 for only two.
In America?
Yeah.
It's expensive.
Very, very expensive. They won't let you to eat.
No fruits, right?
McDonald's because of Disneyland in Hong Kong again.
Yeah.
They don't follow me. They have Owenwood in Hong Kong because of the Lion King.
Oh.
Yeah, bakery shop.
Yeah.
In Hong Kong 嗰個 not in 嗰個 Lantau Island but in the territories wow very big lower big bowl
That sounds good.
hotel over there.
That sounds good.
Wow, very expensive.
Very expensive?
Always $100.
Oh, yeah.
Only little for the green stuff, no drinks, only good stuff. I always eat sweet.
Yeah.
No, nothing to eat. Always drinking.
I got it. I'll see you later. I'll see you later. So we're going to come to the end at Regedor. Very friendly woman. So we're going to come out over here, and then we're going to go down the side over here as well. So yeah, I didn't understand all of that, so I'm not really sure. It sounded like she had a lot to say about a lot of stuff. So you can interpret that if you want, and put some comments down below if you want. That would be interesting. I'm not sure how to interpret it. Okay, so now we're right in where Regedor comes out, which is basically this little space right in here. So I'm going to just come in here, and then we're going to end our video. That was Regedor. So got to hear, I think that was mainland Chinese, but I'm not 100% sure. She was talking about a lot of different stuff. Hengqin. So maybe she's from across Zhuhai. I don't know. Anyways, This is basically the main tourist street right down here. Lots of people in this area. And Regedor was a street that we had our focus on, so we're gonna go back to Regedor. Then we're gonna end our video. And that's a Nike store that I was mentioning. But I'm just gonna come back here and then we're gonna end our Regedor street. So, and Regedor ends with the Nike store on one side and then Galaxy Casino on the other side. And you got to over here friendly local. Okay, here we go. Regedor. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la voz